welcome to the XUCPA channel. Today we're going to talk about entity structure. If you're starting a business, you probably wonder, should you register an LLC, a C-Corp, an S-Corp, or just doing business as DBA without any entity being formed? In this video, we are going to share with you the pros and cons of having different types of entity structure. We hope that you will enjoy this video.
An LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Company, is a type of business structure that lets you classify your business as a separate entity from you personally. This allows you to keep your personal assets separate from your business assets and protect them from your business debts and liabilities. You can open bank accounts, enter contracts, hire employees, obtain business licenses and permits under your limited liability company. Most states require an annual filing and fee to keep your business in good standing. In the state of Texas, you will have to file an annual franchise report. And if you're interested to find out more information about it, please click this link. Now let's talk about S-Corporation. In fact, S-Corporation is a very popular choice of entity structure. And what is an S-Corporation? An S-Corporation, also known as an S subchapter, refers to a type of corporation that meets specific Internal Revenue Code requirements. The requirements give a corporation with 100 shareholders or less the benefit of incorporation while being taxed as a partnership. So what does that mean? So it means that an S-Corporation is actually a pass-through entity, unlike C-Corporation, which is a double tax entity. The corporation may pass income directly to shareholders and avoid double taxation. Requirements include being a domestic corporation, not having more than 100 shareholders, which includes only eligible shareholders, and having only one class of stock.
So we're going to talk about S-Corporation. What's the benefit of having an S-Corporation? Most business owners would form an S-Corporation thinking that they could avoid a lot of self-employment taxes. And how does that work? So in a partnership, whether you have a multi-member LLC or just a sole proprietor, single-member LLC, all your self-employment income is subject to self-employment taxes. Whereas for an S-Corporation, you pay FICA taxes on your salaries, but you don't pay FICA taxes on your dividend distribution. So a business owner may say, what if I have an S-Corporation and I just issue myself dividends and not pay any salary, then I don't have to pay any self-employment taxes? You cannot do that. If you do that, it may be an IRS audit red flag that would trigger penalties and a lot of interest. So be sure that if you have an S-Corporation, make sure you have reasonable officers' compensation.
Moving on, what is a C-Corporation? A C-Corporation or a C-Corp is a legal structure for a corporation in which the owners, shareholders, are taxed separately from the entity. C-Corporations, the most prevalent of corporations, are also subject to corporate income taxation. Currently, the tax rate is 21%. The taxing of profits from the business is at both corporate and personal levels, creating a double taxation situation. What does that mean? If you have a $10,000 profit from the C corporation, you don't have to pay 21%, which is $2,100. Now, for whatever remaining of $7,900, when you take out the money, you have to pay another dividend tax. That's why we call it double taxation.
As you can see, there are pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages of forming different entities. So in order to make sure that you maximize the benefits of your entity structure, you really should think about what benefits you the most. Just because a lot of people tell you that S-Corporation is best, it does not mean that it's the best structure for you. Just because everybody said that C-Corporation is a double tax entity, well, in certain cases, it might actually be better for you. So before you form an entity, whether it be LLC, C corporation or S corporation, make sure that you contact your tax professional or CPA to discuss or even talk to your business attorney to understand the type of entity structure that is suitable for your business. Well, we'll be sharing more information about accounting and taxes for small business owners for you. So if you like this video, please support us. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.